In front of me is FreeYond M6, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill service. Select Google Password Manager and click on Passwords at the bottom left corner. When you're ready, select Add Password and input all of those informations. At the top, select any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!